Hey guys, welcome back to eMoneySL YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe. Guys, as I have promised, I have brought you an amazing website to show you how to start mining bitcoins. If you all haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and click that bell button to stay tuned with me for the new updates. So as I said you, the website name is Free Cloud Mining. The link for this website I have pasted that in the description, so you can go to the description and you can check it out. So guys, before starting, I just want to know whether you all have a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, the link is given below. You can start creating an account today and get your Bitcoin wallet address, since you need that wallet address here in this website to start mining. So I have a Coinbase account and I have my wallet address here. So than taking more time, I will start showing you how to start mining your bitcoins. So this is the website, guys. Once you are entered to the website, this will be the interface which will show to you. So once you have your Coinbase, once you have your wallet address for Bitcoin, just copy paste it here and just click start Bitcoin mining. So once you start Bitcoin mining, once you give this address, it will direct you to a website like this, and it will show you. See, it will show you like since I'm having an account, it is showing me my balance as of today. And guys, it will show you like, as far as I know, the reviews which I have seen, it is a good website where you can earn bitcoins and where they will pay you the withdrawals. So we'll see some few withdrawals which other users have got. So these are the fees paid to our members. See, here you can see on 4th of June, these are the payments which they have done. And once you have passed the threshold of, I mean, they have given some minimum bitcoins, satoshis, which you have to mine before doing a withdrawal. So here it says, like, here it shows you the percentage. Once you clear the percentage, I mean, once you are there with the minimum transaction amount, it will be given here one button which will activate it after you pass the threshold. So as far as I know, this is the threshold, I mean, which will be a good amount of having this amount and doing a withdrawal. So it is amazing. So guys, I will show you how to start mining. Once you are in the website, it will show you start Bitcoin mining. And one thing I want to tell you is that once in every 15 minutes you will get this option to start mining. So you just want to visit this website every 15 minutes and start doing this mining. So I will show you how the Bitcoin mining will start. So yeah, I'm in this website and I have got this, my button is activated. So I'll click here, start mining. In this, I want to tell you, once this loading started, don't close the window. You just want to open it until the mining started. See, as you can see here is like my license is free, which means this website is totally free for you. So now it started mining, guys. So here the thing, first go I got 15 satoshis. So it will see like you can see here how the mining is happening. See the speed. So once, I mean, see, you will be winning these satoshis. So for 40, yeah, you will be getting 400 plus seconds. So during that time you will be getting this kind of satoshis. So what we will do is, like, we'll wait for some time until these seconds are over, then I will show you how much bitcoins, I mean the satoshis, you have earned. So stay tuned, guys. After another 380 seconds, I will show you how much I earned. So guys, please be noted that this is my current balance. Once I receive that, once my mining is stopped, it will show you the change what will happen here. So stay tuned, guys. Just wait for a few more minutes. Once the mining is over, I'll come back to you. So okay guys, once again I'm here. So my mining has completed. So we will see how many satoshis I have earned during this time. So total satoshis which I have won is like 988 satoshis. So within 400 plus seconds you will earn this much of satoshis. So in the beginning I just show you this my current balance. See, the balance has been changed and it is being credited to my account. So once the amount is credited to your account, guys, and later on it will activate my withdrawal button. So this click button is activated, I will bring you another video where I am going to do the withdrawal. So I'll bring this video also to you. So once again, when your mining is completed, you will get another chance of mining after 15 minutes. So guys, I invite you to join to this channel and subscribe it today itself and click that bell button, so you will get more videos and more updates on the new websites where you can mine cryptocurrencies. The website name is QuickBTC. I have put the link below in my description. You can go to the description and take that link and go to this website and start mining today. So this is totally a free website. So guys, without taking much time, I will show you all how to start mining. So first of all guys, just go to the link and you can see this this website. So this is the interface of this website. So guys, before starting mining guys, I just want to ask you all whether you all have a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, the link is below in my description, how to create a Coinbase account in a very easy way. So guys, start today. Create your Coinbase account if you don't have, because you need the Bitcoin wallet address. So once you have the Bitcoin wallet address guys, then you just want to come to this website. So then I will show you how it happens. So there is a place here called start mining. So I will click this and I will enter my Coinbase account over here, and just you want to start mining. So once you click start mining guys, since I already have an account with QuickBTC, so it has started mining my wallet. So see, as of now I have a balance of this much, which I already started before. So now I have an amount of this, and guys, the payouts are happening. I have seen the reviews that people are mentioned that they got their payouts, I mean the withdrawals they have received. So I will take this forward for I will take this forward to get a withdrawal, since the minimum balance to do a withdrawal is 0.005. So I am already eligible to do a withdrawal. In my next video I will show you how the withdrawals will happen. So until then guys, just use the free plan. Don't go to upgrade a new plan because I haven't withdrawn yet. It is my personal recommendation that you use your free account. After doing a withdrawal guys, I will recommend you whether to do a upgradation or not. But if you are willing to do upgradation, you can do it. But my recommendation is wait until I bring you a withdrawal proof from this QuickBTC. So guys, I hope you understood how to create this account, and guys, start mining today, and stay tuned with me guys for the withdrawal proof plus for new websites of how you can mine cryptocurrencies. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and click the bell button to stay tuned with my new updates. This is a brand new website guys. Once you registered on this website, you will get 100 GHz free for mining. So than taking much time, I will show you all how to do the registration on this website. So the same time, I want to request you all, if you all haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now and click that bell button to stay tuned with me for these cool websites. Whenever it launched, I will surely bring to your, so you can start working on these websites. So guys, than taking much time, I will show you all how to do the registration and how to start this site. So I request you all, do this fast, don't be late. Still the website is new, and start your mining and earn more referrals. For every referral you will earn, you will get 2 GHz free. So than taking much time, again I will show you how to do the registration. So the website name is bluemagic.cloud. This is mainly a cloud-based website. So the link for this website I have already put in my description, so you all can go to the description and take this website link and go to this website. Once you go to the website guys, it will show like this. So as I told you, here see the free gigahertz what they are actually giving you as a gift once you registered on this website. So what you have to do is, once you are in this website, you have to register. So click the registration button here there is nothing much you all have to do. Just enter a username, a familiar name for you, and your email address. Again you re-enter the email address and password, and the password again. Just accept here and click here, then click the registration button. So once you click the registration button, it will automatically redirect you to the website. So once you are registered guys, it will show the website like this. So again since I have already registered on this website, so that's why I didn't enter those details over there. So once you enter to this website, it will show like this. So I'll just show you how to go and do the mining. So first of all, I want to tell you all, in this website they are offering you Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USD. So you can do mining for all these things. So see here, as I told you, they are giving 100% 100 gigahertz. Since I registered to this website today, so I haven't done any withdrawal. I don't have a balance right now. So I will show you all how to do the mining. So you go to this, click this button, mining. So here see, I have already start using my 100 gigahertz. See here I haven't actually. I'll tell you something. The best thing is, the fastest what you can mine is USD. So the best thing is, go to USD column here, increase your full power, give your full power of gigahertz for that. So start mining USD. Why I'm telling you all that? This is the fastest you can get since the website is new. And the special thing in this website is, you don't want to do any investment. In this free account, they will allow you to have withdrawals. So what my suggestion is, mine as much as possible in USDs and do the withdrawals. So this, since this website, the reviews I have seen so far for the past 1 day, this website is giving payments. So what I am requesting you is, try to find more referrals so you can increase your gigahertz, plus you will get more mining options. So here since I told you that I have given the full power of my gigahertz for USD, see here it's already started mining. And these I haven't given, I am also waiting for referrals to come. So once the referrals are there, I will also start mining on these other cryptocurrencies. So guys, than taking much time, please register to this website, start mining today, since you are getting 100% 100 gigahertz. So there's nothing much to do. You just need to do a small login only, not much details you have to give. So I'll show you the website. Just will go through and I'll just show it to you. See guys, here still the investment which people have done is 22,055 only. So here 4,880 users are there, and it is only 1 day it is launched. So guys, so I request you all to be fast, don't get late, because this website is offering you withdrawals on the free account. So don't miss the chance. Today itself you register it and start mining. Since you don't want to invest much time, you can start it today. So here per referral, see, you are getting 2 gigahertz, and there is a level of your referrals. I think you have some slabs here. So once you have the level 1, you will get 9% of gigahertz, and when you are in second level, you will get 6% of your gigahertz. So here is an calculator. You can do that calculator as well. So guys, as of now, this is the things which I have studied on this website. If I get to know anything, surely I will let you all know. If you all have any questions, please put a comment below. I will surely update you all, and I will help you all, and I will tell whatever the things I know. And if you find any new things on this website, please put a comment and tell to me also, so I also can try it out, and the people who are watching this also can try it out. So guys, if you all haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it now and click the bell button so you can see this, you can get to know these new websites where I will introduce you all soon after it is launched. So guys, I invite you all, please register to this website, start mining today. Description, you can find my link in the description. So please let me know if you find anything, and if you have anything to know, please put a comment, I will reply to on that. So guys, I will come back to you with another video how I do a withdrawal on this site, since I have only a limited USDs which I have mined. So once I have passed the threshold, I will do a withdrawal and I will give you all the proof. So the other thing I forgot to tell you all is that this is having a minimum withdrawal amount of $1. Means when it comes to $1, you can do the withdrawal. So an awesome website. Try it out and let me also know if you all have any concerns. As I have promised you all in the beginning when I'm creating this channel, I promised you all that whatever the website which is launching, I will get that website as soon as possible once it is done. So guys, I have brought you all a cool website which was launched 3 days ago. So I was looking into this video looking into this website for some time, for past 2 days guys. I have read all the reviews. Seems to be a good website where you will get withdrawals, and the best thing on this website is you will get 800 gigahertz of hash power once you sign up. So the website name is Miners Hash. The link for this website I have put that in the description, so you can go to the description and get that link. So you can go to this website. So once you click that website link guys, it will take you to a website like this. So the interface will show like this. So guys, once you are here, you all just want to click this get free power. So then it will redirect you to the sign up application. You just want to enter few details, enter your username, enter the email address, and enter the password. So and then you have 4 numbers to be entered here, then your registration button will be activated. So this is a very good website since I have read the reviews. So I hope you all can start working on this, but I suggest you not to do any purchases right now. So once I have done a purchase or anything, I will surely recommend you all. So since this is a new website only, I'm asking you all not to do that for time being. So once you registered in the website, it will take to the dashboard like this. It's a simple sign up guys. So here as you can see, it started my mining. So I have registered to this website and I have received this 800 gigahertz of full hash power. So as I told you, the website was launched 3 days ago, and right now the hash powers which is using is like 11.86. so good hash power is being used, and the withdrawals are also been done. And here you can see the active miners. Right now it is 12,900 miners. So guys, seems to be a good website, and you have to find referrals. Once you have good referrals guys, your power will be more powered. So like now the free is 800 gigahertz. If you can find more people, more referrals, the more your hash power will increase. So guys, this is for the free, what we call for the free profile. This is this package name called starter package. So for time being guys, I'm requesting you all to have this package only, I mean the profile. So once I'm suggesting you all, once I have done a purchase, I will recommend you all, because I haven't done any withdrawal yet. So let me do a withdrawal and let me do a purchase. I'll check the site and I'll suggest you all whether to do it or not. So for time being, I recommend you all to have the starter package. Start it, register it. It's a simple registration. So once it is done, you all can start mining today. So in the next video guys, I will show you all how to do the withdrawals and how easy can you do it and how fast it is. So if you all haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it now and click that bell button to get notifications like this soon after I have uploaded a video. So guys, as I promised, since I brought you another cool website today, I'll bring more and more videos with new websites where you can mine cryptocurrencies. So guys, for today I will be going now, and I'll see you all again with another cool video. So guys, until then, see you and take care.